Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with day 15 and 16. Oh my gosh. I know I'm getting delirious, but anyway, I'm doing all these videos because we've opened them already and I want to get them uploaded and ready to go for you all. So, my partner was Nada. I know I've said this many times. She had number 15 is this beautiful altered book. I love it. She's used pretty paper on both sides of the book, and then she's altered it with this paper, and she's stickled it up, and she's added some doilies. It's so pretty. I love these books. I always have. And so that was day 15. And then day 16, um, she gave me some of this, I think it's silver. Oh no, it's snow white glitter. I don't even know if I have this color. Yeah, I might have it. This is good for making your handmade glimmer mist. So thank you, Nada. I really appreciate it. And thanks everybody for watching, and I'll be back with another 24 Days of Christmas, days 17 and 18. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.